Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will talk about our Bangladeshi cricket team and Bangladeshi cricket fan. You know that in our country, our Bangladeshi cricket fan, they are super duper crazy about cricket. But the performance of our Bangladesh cricket team in World Cup and big tournament is not satisfactory. Think about Bangladesh's performance in ICC World Cup 2023. They did not perform well, and even we have various expectations with some cricketers, some new cricketers, so-called youngsters, but they did not perform well. Only the older cricketer like Mushfiqur Rahim and again Mahmudullah Riyad, they can perform well, and Saqib also try to perform well. So this type of things happened. It's very unsatisfactory and very pathetic for the cricketer fan like us. Nowadays we see that our Bangladeshi cricket players, they are hanker after money. They are trying to do different type of advertisement. They are trying to getting different brand deals. But their main responsibility as a cricketer is performing well in the field. But they are not doing this type of things. They are busy with other things. So here I think our Bangladesh cricket team, they must have to be focused on cricket. Here one thing I have to say that we see in the FIFA World Cup 2022 or 2023, I don't know actually. So in this World Cup, we see that Argentina team, they made one leader, which is Lionel Messi, and the whole team, they play following the instruction of Lionel Messi. But we don't see such type of united anything here in our Bangladesh cricket team. I think here there are some dividation in our Bangladesh cricket team and in our Bangladesh cricket board. So that's why such type of things happen. So I think in future our Bangladesh cricket team, they always try to be united.